Well, good morning and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that are out there. I am super excited because we made it to the Roanoke area, and I am with my mom, who's behind me, for Mother's Day. And there's my dad, and we are fulfilling my mom's dream. We're hiking to McAfee Knob today. So we are doing this hike together. I will be hiking with my parents over to McAfee Knob and get our picture taken over there. And yep, so we're really excited today. This is a really great day for us. All right, we have made it. We're just about here. Grandma did it! Woo!
Did it.
Hey. There's your view, Mom.
Oh,
Behind you. There's your view.
I know. Oh my gosh. Making sure I wasn't falling over. Oh gosh.
Well, we made it. We are here at McAfee Knob. It's absolutely beautiful. Just soaking it all in right now. Well, my mom got her wish. She made it to McAfee Knob, and it's Mother's Day. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Well, we left my parents and they are heading back to the parking lot, and we have continued on. Chris and I are now heading to the third section in the Triple Crown of Virginia, the Tinker Cliffs. So should be about maybe 2-3 miles ahead, and so we're just making our way there, and the weather's cleared up nicely. It's a beautiful day, just gorgeous. Well, I came across this and these boulders, and it's telling us to go in here. It's pretty cool. Well, we made it to Tinker's Cliff, the third of the Triple Crown of Virginia, and it is beautiful. Wow. all these great views up here. Oh, beautiful farms down there. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Well, it's been a good day of hiking all around. We did the other two, so that now we have completed the Triple Crown of Virginia. So that was an achievement today. Helping my mom to McAfee Knob today, or McAfee Knob, was amazing. So now we're just in our last mile or two before we get into Dalesville, which we will be staying at the Super 8 tonight, and hopefully having a really nice dinner that includes a cold beer or cold anything, because it's been a 10-mile dry period on the trail without any water sources. So I'm nearly out of water and I'm just sipping whatever I have left. So I'm ready to chug like a gallon of water right now because it's like really hot outside, but still up high on the ridgeline, so I must still have about a mile or two to go. But it's beautiful. It's like 5 o'clock in the evening right now, and yeah, so just wrapping this really nice day up. Beautiful view of the lake.